guys, welcome to my doorbell collection. And this isn't the speaker for this one. This is the speaker like for the doorbell outside that I did in my intro. And here it is. Just give me a sec while I check the model number. Oh yeah, and ignore this one, this is an old one. We'll get to this one in a minute. Alright, this is a QUHWA 42XA5-5 GHz. This is an upgrade from the last model, and it actually has more waterproofing as well. Like, instead of it just being waterproof here and on the button, it's actually waterproof all around here now. And this is an airsoft FF6T, and I replaced it because it don't work. Yeah. Anyway, back over here. So yeah, that was a speaker for that one up there, and not for this one, is it? Even though it's a QUHWA as well. Anyway, let's just get to the farting tests. This is a QUHWA 520 PA. This is 87 decibels, and it's very loud. I mean, you heard how loud it was on my intro. I'm gonna play the intro again. So yeah, that was that. This is a if I can get a label to show. This is a Byron 98YG. This that was funny, but yeah, this one works, and it has the back bracket as well. Sorry about the blue tack in the way, but it is definitely a 98YG. Moving on, we have an Airsoft TF3DA. This one doesn't have the waterproofing. Well, it does, but it is kind of damaged as well. Like, I'll tell you how it's damaged. Like, it can't pair up with the chime, and that's what Caitlin said. Like, I got this from Caitlin, and I got this from Caitlin. So she lent it to me because it didn't work. Oh, sometimes it doesn't work. Yeah, it has battery problems too. Like, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Like, it's pretty wonky. Yeah. Here we have a Byron BY30. This is a fully functional doorbell push. That was funny, and the light turns out. Anyway, it works. And I really, really love this one. I recommend this, actually. It's a pretty good doorbell. I don't have the sounders for any of these. See, it's a BY30 or HB441, but I'd go for the BY30. It's IP44, great waterproofing. Pretty cool. This is a Airsoft FF6T, as you saw out there as well. Here's a picture. So yeah, this is the exact same one. This one works. Yeah, this one works. Caitlin gave this one to me too. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, I tried to trade this guy £2 for this, and it wasn't by Caitlin. But then they just gave me it for free. So how nice of them. And I got this from Caitlin, and the reason why this is why the blue tack's here. It has battery problems. Like, see, sometimes it just goes off. Like, this one has battery problems, and also it can't. Well, it does pair it with the chime, but she's like complaining that it doesn't work and that because the chimes. But well, no, I mean the battery problems. This is an Airsoft TF3DB. It's the same as this one, except it has better waterproofing, like they've put it in this coating instead of the sticky pads. It also helps with the waterproofing as well, because on that one there was like little holes here, and that's also why it's malfunctioning. So it's still the same waterproof sealing. Oh yeah, and it works too. It's the same doorbell, same old bullshit. Oh, it's just better waterproofing, and I got it off Caitlin. And the chime didn't work on it, so she just gave me the doorbell push. This is a very old QUHWA doorbell with it's blank. And I'll show you the insides of all of these as well, except for this one, because I can't get that open. But anyway, it works. It's the exact same as that one, it's just older. I got it off Caitlin, and she said that this one, the battery was nearly dead on it, and the battery was too low for it to pair up with the chime, and also and the LED's sometimes dodgy too. See, it's like flickering. But yeah, let's tear into these. Alright, I've set up a tripod because I know you definitely want to see this. So let's do this. Apart from this one. The camera's moving. That's not a good thing, is it? Oh, the camera goes off on me now. Oh, the camera's moving. What's wrong with it? Stupid camera. What's wrong with it? Why is it doing this? Oh, what? What's wrong with it? Give me a sec. Right guys, sorry about the terrible viewing quality, because I can't get a fully functional tripod to work, so I'm going to have to use my knees, which is a terrible thing, because it's a stupid tripod is my knees. I mean, it's terrible, don't even cut it, and it's pretty bad. It's not even a tripod. Now let's crack open this. So we need to get open this. We're on the Airsoft TF3DA, I think it is. Yeah, it's the T3A. There's the waterproofing seal. That cracks me up every time. Here's the back. It says this way up. Here we have some circuit panels. Here we have a battery. And service mount capacitor, a button which controls the chime, and it also makes the light glow. Now on the Byron BY30, this is the only Byron that I can crack open quickly without wasting any of my battery. What's wrong with it? Wow, same deal. This way up. A nice red light. Oh wow. Here we have some copper, which is used to like the sensor signal. Here we have this copper wire. Service mount capacitor, and battery, and a pair to control button. It's basically the same design as what was in the Airsoft. Here on the Airsoft FF6T, which is, it's basically, it doesn't have a back on it. Here we have a battery, blue tack to hold the battery because the plastic's broken. We have a button, a service mount capacitor. It's basically the same design. Here we have the Airsoft TF3DB. Maybe crack it open on this side. I've got to hurry up, my video only goes up to 15 minutes. Let me get this a minute. There, I finally got it open. Same this way up. We have the button, and you can see the light glowing there. We have a button cell. You have a button, a service mount capacitor, and then put it back together. Make sure waterproofing seal's good. Here we have this QUHWA 42XA5. I just get this open. That was so easy. QUHWA always makes it easy. Oh no, not the waterproofing seal. Oh no. I have to pay for a new waterproofing seal replacement. So cheap. Here we have a similar battery out of all of them. We have a red light emitting diode. What kind of battery is this? It's a new leader. And service mount capacitor, some copper, a random screws. I'm gonna put the back on doorbell. Stupid light. Thanks for watching this doorbell collection. If you liked, comment, rate and subscribe for more content.